Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem water heater blue light flashing, meaning and step-by-step troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check the flash pattern. Look at the blue status light on the gas control valve, then count how many times it flashes before it pauses. Compare the flash pattern with the error code chart on the water heater label or in the user manual. Note the code before counting with troubleshooting. Second one is reset the water heater. Turn the gas control knob to off, then wait about 5 minutes. Turn the gas back on or pilot, then restore power if your model uses electricity. Check if the blue light returned to its normal flashing pattern. Third one is check for overheating. Make sure nothing is blocking airflow around the water heater. Allow the unit to cool if it feels unusually hot. Restart the heater after it has cooled. Watch the blue light for any error flashes. Fourth one is make sure the gas supply is on. Verify that the gas shut-off valve is fully open. Then check that other gas appliances in your home are working. If propane is used, make sure the tank is not empty. Restart the water heater and check the status light. Fifth one is check the air intake and vent. Inspect the air intake screen for dust or lint, then clean the screen with a soft brush or vacuum. Check that the vent pipe is not blocked. Restart the heater and monitor the blue light. Thanks for watching.